Good morning! Breakfast is served, and it'll only take about a minute or so in a blender. This is a frozen strawberry and oatmeal breakfast smoothie. Now in here we've got fresh strawberries. We've got oatmeal that's been soaking in milk overnight, so you just kind of, just make it ahead of time. And in the morning there's very little to do. A little bit of yogurt, a frozen banana. I always make my frozen bananas by peeling them, wrapping them in saran wrap and throwing them in the freezer. I've got a bunch of them in there, so they're always ready for making smoothies. And then throw it in the blender and we're done. It's so easy. Let's go in the kitchen. I'll show you how to whip one of these up instantly right now. All right, to make our smoothie, what we have here is, this is 1 cup of milk and a 1/4 cup of oats, just rolled oats. I put them in a jar and leave them in the refrigerator overnight. So they're soaking, the oats get softened. Nice thing is that you can do this like ahead of time, so for breakfast it's all ready to go. Here, a 1/2 cup of yogurt, 5 or 6 strawberries. These are quite plump ones, so 5 is perfect. Fresh strawberries. 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1 frozen banana sliced up. So, really easy. All we do is toss everything in the blender. So in goes this, the milk and oats. Got a couple oats still stuck in there. Come on guys, out you go. All right. And then in goes the yogurt. And vanilla, strawberries, frozen banana. Toss on the lid and mix it up. And that's all there is to making a frozen strawberry and banana breakfast smoothie. Let's pour some. Oh, look at that. Good morning. Yeah, that's a good way to start the morning. Now, if you go to the link appearing on the screen, you can get the free printable recipe for frozen strawberry and oatmeal breakfast smoothie on our website. So go print out the recipe, have fun making and drinking this breakfast treat, and make cooking fun again with Kuma's Kitchen.